What's up, guys? Long time no see. We're about to go on another little trip. We're taking it to Michigan this time, and we're gonna be boondocking it at a Walmart or something, and we're gonna be going to the beach, and we're gonna try and see some really pretty views. And also, we got the bicycles with us. We got a ton of our different magnets from the different places we've gone, and we're really excited to go take another trip to Michigan because this place, beautiful. Every time you go somewhere, you're always like, wow, I didn't know this was so close to Chicago. But yeah, we're pretty much all packed up. We're gonna start heading out soon. Our first stop's gonna be in Chicago. We might take the bikes out, we might not, we don't know yet. The weather's been a little bit iffy. We had some rain earlier, but now it's cleared up. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit when we're on the road. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Sunday.
Thanks. Have a good time.
Off to Michigan we go.
Bye.
Bye.
I don't know how to turn it off.
The red button. One thing I do like about this city, there's usually a place I've never eaten at before, and most of the time it's good. And when you get in there, everyone seems almost like your friend already. Another successful Walmart stay. People from third shift came out right at 7 a.m. Like 30 people, they all left. You were right. We were like, why were all these cars here last night? And then when 7 a.m. came around,
Felt like a lot going on.
Oh, good morning. We're here in Michigan City at a Walmart. We're gonna have some coffee soon, get our day started, stretch out a little bit, and make some plans for the day. Hopefully we'll end up at Warren Dunes soon, and then we'll be making some food, maybe making some friends, playing some games. But yeah, let's make some coffee. So you want to go to the beach first, or you want to look around in Michigan City?
It doesn't matter. Both.
Yeah. There's a museum there, but it doesn't open till like 1 o'clock.
Oh. Yeah.
So we're over here in Long Beach, Indiana, It's about one town over from Michigan City. You have got to check out the beautiful properties here. I mean, I looked up online. These are between $1 and $6 million locations. It's like so beautiful. It's a perfect summer house.
Yeah.
Never knew that a place like this was so close to where we live. So what is this place?
A little market or something.
Some sort of like antiques homemade market. We saw it on the side of the road and decided to stop in. It's gotta be a camper van. Oh my goodness, we found the pie jackpot. So much pie. Which one do you want?
I don't know.
Let's get one of everything. This place is basically a grocery store. Open air market. I mean everything. Vegetables, cheese, fresh bread, fresh bakery goods like pies, clothes. It's crazy. It's 1.65 pounds. That is massive. Look at this thing.
Alright, I don't want to hold these things anymore.
You could like break someone's nose with this tomato if you threw it at their head.
The car one.
Compare it to your head. Look how big that is. It's like half the size of your skull.
The size of your brain.
I wish we had stuff like this by my house. I feel like there's just not enough of that.
I like the sunflowers. You can come and make a cute flowers like that lady.
Yeah. Yeah, they have a pretty nice variety of stuff here. And green means you can swim. Last time we were here, it was in the dark.
Yeah, I remember.
So it was windy as hell. Yeah, it's a little hazy out. You're not going to see anything by going up there.
So clean and nice.
Faux drizzle. We didn't bring the camera over there just because there were so many people and kind of wanted some time to ourselves, but perfect weather today. Couldn't ask for more. This one guy stood up on 2 paddle boards, 1 foot on each side. He was like the dad, and everyone's like, yeah, next to us. That was funny. Like molten chocolate. Not that good. We got a little mini Weber grill that I borrowed from my friend. and we got some charcoal, and I think we might go to the campsite and do that because here there's only a couple of spaces and I bet they're all full up with people, so. Alright guys, we had a good time. We packed up. We're gonna go grill some food at the RV park now. It's about 40 minutes north. South Haven, Michigan is where we're gonna be heading to. So we'll see you guys there. Time for a little time lapse. It's an RV resort that has trailers on concrete slabs, and they have some of them for sale. And some of this place is still kind of under construction in a way.
Yeah, this is, look at that. That's
Yeah, that was just poured, like today.
really?
Oh yeah. Today or yesterday. Looks really nice. Yeah, we found the one of the last spots in the whole southwestern part of Michigan.
107.
106. That was the last one.
What's that? Where is ours?
Right here.
Oh.
Right next to the guy with the motorcycle. Nice. It's raining, the sun's out, making some soup. We're about to be grilling some steak and some vegetables. And we're just hiding out. Hot out, 85 degrees, raining, humidity 100%. We're still enjoying ourselves.
And he wants to make soup.
And I want to make hot soup. Pull that right down. Oh, just chugging away at heavy rain and wind. Forecast high sunburn. We were not ready for this, but we did it. He
did a great job.
Yeah, we cooked, we cleaned up. I'm just soaking wet and sunburned, and I want to take a shower. You caught one? Yeah, you did. This little boy. He's scared of it. He caught a fish. And his dad's over by the camper. Look at this kid, he's trying to... He's like, oh God.
Oh, no one's buying?
There it is. Fisherman in the making, this guy. Oh, what a nice kid. So we got through that little storm that came through earlier and pretty much blew the tarp off while we were cooking steak. We had some really nice neighbors over here who helped us out with the rain and also invited us for drinks. I made sure to give him a piece of that steak when I was cooking it up. You're good. he might just let me take a tour of this thing. So, we met some people at the campground. Honestly, they're the nicest people. They're kind, beautiful stories to tell us. Welcomed us with open arms, fed us anything we wanted.
They had such a nice camper.
Yeah, really cool couple. You know, they're an older couple, but we sat there for like 5-6 hours. We didn't even realize how fast time was going by. It felt like 5 minutes. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you're interested. And we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. After that fire last night, we went right to bed. And today we're gonna have a little bit of coffee and just clean up and recover from the weekend. It's beautiful here. Well, we're headed back home now. We had a good weekend. We met some awesome people. And we just crossed back into Illinois. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate your support. Talk to you again soon. See you on the next one.